If your drains have been giving off a funky smell lately, or the water seems to be draining just a little slower than it used to.
After 3 decades of working on pipes in every kind of home, I have seen what works.
And what causes more harm than good. Tonight, I am walking you through 10 reasons why. Stick around for number 8 because it completely changes how you think about drain maintenance. And do not miss the bonus tip at the end. Is that it kills the odor-causing bacteria living inside your P-traps.
Now, if you are not sure what a P-trap is, take a look under any sink in your house. That curve holds a small amount of standing water at all times, and its job is to block sewer gases from coming up into your home.
The problem is, that little pool of water becomes a perfect breeding ground for bacteria over time. Specifically, sulfur-producing bacteria love to colonize that warm, dark, wet environment. Those bacteria are what create that rotten egg smell you sometimes catch when you walk into the bathroom or lawn over the kitchen sink.
Most people assume the smell is coming from deep in the sewer line, but 9 times out of 10 it is right there in the trap.
Just inches below the drain opening.
When you pour about 1 cup of standard 3% hydrogen peroxide down the drain, it goes straight into that trap water.
The moment it contacts those bacterial colonies, it starts releasing oxygen. That oxidation process kills the bacteria on contact. You will actually hear it fizzing, and that fizzing sound is your proof that it is working. The peroxide is literally eating through the organic matter those bacteria are feeding on.
Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes.
And you did not have to call anyone or spend more than a few cents. The second reason to make this a habit is that hydrogen peroxide breaks down the organic film that builds up on your pipe walls before it ever becomes a clog. Think about everything that goes down your drains on a daily basis. Hair, skin cells, soap residue, shaving cream, toothpaste, cooking grease, food particles.
Khi sử dụng máy lọc không khí, nên để ở các vị trí thông thoáng trong căn phòng.
A thin layer of it clings to the inside walls of the pipe every single time you use the sink, shower, or tub.
Over weeks and months, that film gets thicker. It becomes a sticky, slimy layer that starts catching even more debris. Hair gets tangled in it. Grease hardens on top of it. Eventually, the inside diameter of your pipe gets smaller and smaller until water can barely pass through. That is how clogs form, and it happens gradually enough that most people do not notice until they are standing in 3 inches of water during a shower. Until they are standing in 3 inches of water during a shower.
Hydrogen peroxide attacks that organic film directly.
The oxygen it releases breaks the bonds holding that gunk together. It loosens the soap scum, dissolves the greasy residue, and weakens the slimy biofilm so it can be flushed away with hot water.
1 cup down each drain, let it fizz, and sit for at least 30 minutes.
Then run the hot water for a minute or 2.
You are essentially giving your pipes a deep cleaning from the inside.
Do this once every couple of weeks, and you are stopping clogs before they ever get a chance to form. The third reason is one that catches a lot of homeowners off guard, and it is that hydrogen peroxide oxygenates standing trap water in drains you rarely use. If you have a guest bathroom that only gets used a few times a year, or a basement utility sink that sits idle for months, or maybe a second-floor bathroom in a home where you mostly live on the main level, those drains are quietly becoming a problem. The water sitting in those P-traps goes stagnant. It loses its dissolved oxygen. Bacteria thrive in that low-oxygen environment and start producing that musty, damp, almost sewage-like odor that hits you when you open the door to a room you have not visited in a while. Some folks assume it is mold in the walls or a hidden leak, but it is almost always the drain traps. Pouring 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide into those neglected drains does 2 things at once. First, it kills the bacteria that have been multiplying in the stale water. Second, the oxygen released by the peroxide actually refreshes the trap water itself,
raising the dissolved oxygen level, so the environment becomes hostile to anaerobic bacteria.
It is like giving that forgotten drain a breath of fresh air.
For homes with multiple bathrooms or seasonal spaces like a pool house or workshop sink, this is an absolute game changer. Once a month, walk through the house, pour a cup of peroxide into every drain you have not used recently, and you will never deal with that mystery smell again. Great. By the way, if this advice is helping, it is a small sample from my new book,
with 100 old house fixes that save you thousands.
To grab your copy, scan the QR code on screen or use the first link in the description. All right, let's continue. The fourth reason is one that surprises almost everyone, and it is that hydrogen peroxide kills drainfly and gnat larvae breeding inside your drains. Kills drainfly and gnat larvae breeding inside your drains.
Các hạt này gây hại sức khỏe con người, chứ không phải bụi thông thường cỡ lớn.
Especially during the warmer months, those insects are not coming from outside. They are breeding inside your pipes. Drainflies and fungus gnats lay their eggs in the moist organic film coating the inside of your drain pipes. Their larvae feed on that same bacterial slime and decomposing material, and they can reproduce quickly. A few flies turn into dozens within a week. Most people swat at them, spray the room, or set out traps, but they never think to treat the source, which is the drain itself. Hydrogen peroxide poured directly into the drain attacks the larvae and destroys the organic film they depend on for food.
The fizzing action penetrates into the gunk where the eggs and larvae are hiding.
1 cup down the affected drain, let it sit for at least an hour, and flush with hot water. For heavy infestations, do this every night for 3 or 4 nights in a row. You will see the fly population drop dramatically because you have eliminated their nursery. This is honestly one of the most satisfying uses of peroxide because the results are so visible and so fast. The fifth reason to reach for hydrogen peroxide instead of what is currently under your sink is that it disinfects your drains without causing any pipe damage. This is a big one. A lot of homeowners have been using harsh chemical drain cleaners for years without realizing the damage those products are doing. In PVC pipes, that heat can soften and warp the plastic. In older metal pipes, the acid eats away at the interior walls and accelerates corrosion. Over time, you end up weakening the very pipes you were trying to protect.
Hydrogen peroxide at the standard 3% household concentration is gentle. It breaks down into just water and oxygen.
There is no heat reaction, no corrosive residue, and no toxic fumes.
It does the sanitizing work without any of the collateral damage.
You get clean, disinfected drains, and your pipes stay intact. That is a trade-off that makes sense every single time.
The sixth reason matters, especially if your home is on a septic system.
Because hydrogen peroxide is septic safe in a way that bleach simply is not.
A lot of people pour bleach down their drains, thinking they are keeping things clean and sanitary.
But if you are on a septic system, bleach is actually working against you. Your septic tank depends on a healthy colony of bacteria to break down solid waste. That is literally how the system functions. When bleach enters the tank, it kills those beneficial bacteria just as effectively as it kills anything else. In PVC pipes, that heat can soften and warp the plastic, leading to backups, drain field failures, and repair bills that can run into the thousands. Hydrogen peroxide at household concentration does not carry that risk. By the time it travels through your pipes and reaches the tank, it is largely broken down into water and oxygen.
It will not nuke the bacterial ecosystem your septic system needs to survive.
So you get the drain cleaning and odor control benefits without putting your septic system in danger.
If you are on a septic system and you have been using bleach as your go-to drain treatment, tonight is the night to make the switch. The seventh reason to love this simple treatment is that hydrogen peroxide brightens and deodorizes your garbage disposal. Brightens and deodorizes your garbage disposal.
Your kitchen disposal takes a beating. Every meal prep, every plate scraping.
Every handful of food scraps that gets ground up leaves a little residue behind.
That residue coats the inside of the disposal chamber, the underside of the rubber splash guard, and the walls of the drain immediately below the unit.
Over time, bacteria go to work on that residue and produce odors that can make your entire kitchen smell off. You might notice it most when you run hot water, or when the disposal has been sitting idle for a day or two.
Pour 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide directly into the disposal and do not turn the unit on. Let it sit and fizz for 30 to 60 minutes.
The peroxide will work its way into all the crevices and surfaces inside the chamber, breaking down food residue and killing odor-causing bacteria.
After it has had time to work, run cold water and turn the disposal on for about 15 seconds to flush everything through.
You will notice a difference immediately. The disposal smells cleaner.
Engines. And if you look inside with a flashlight, you might even see that the surfaces look brighter. It is a simple treatment that takes.
You might notice it most when you run hot water, or when the disposal has been sitting idle for a day or two. Because hydrogen peroxide prevents slow drains instead of making you wait for blockages.
Most of us have been trained to think about drain care reactively.
The water starts pooling in the shower,
So we grab a bottle of drain cleaner. The sink takes forever to empty, so we pull out the plunger.
We wait for the problem to show up, and then we fight it. That is expensive, frustrating, and completely avoidable.
When you pour hydrogen peroxide down your drains on a regular schedule, say every 2 weeks or once a month,
you are removing the organic buildup before it ever restricts water flow. Engines. And if you look inside with a flashlight, you might even see that the surfaces look brighter. It is a simple treatment that takes. You are flushing the early stages of gunk before hair and grease can accumulate on top of it. It is the difference between changing your car's oil regularly and waiting for the engine to seize. Preventive maintenance is always cheaper, always easier, and always less stressful than emergency repairs. A simple routine of 1 cup of peroxide in every drain once or twice a month, followed by a hot water flush, keeps everything flowing the way it should. You will spend less on plumbing products, call fewer plumbers, and avoid the headache of standing water and backed up sinks. This one habit alone can save you more than everything else on this list combined. The 9th reason is going to make your wallet happy because hydrogen peroxide costs pennies per treatment compared to those $20 bottles of chemical drain cleaner. A standard 32-ounce bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide costs about $1. At most grocery stores and pharmacies. 1 cup is 8 ounces, which means you get 4 treatments out of a single bottle.
that is roughly 25 cents per drain.
Now, compare that to commercial enzymatic drain cleaners that run $8 to $15 a bottle, or chemical drain openers that cost $12 to $20 and only give you 1 or 2 uses. Over the course of a year, if you are treating 10 drains in your house once a month, you are looking at a few dollars total with hydrogen peroxide versus well over $100 with commercial products. And the peroxide is doing a better job in most cases because it is not just masking odors or burning through one spot in a clog, it is cleaning the entire pipe surface, killing bacteria, and preventing buildup across the board. Over the course of a year, if you are treating 10 drains in your house once a month, you are looking at a few dollars total with hydrogen peroxide versus well over $100 with commercial products. The 10th and final reason to make hydrogen peroxide your go-to drain treatment is that it is completely safe on PVC, ABS, and modern metal pipes. This is the question I get more than almost any other. People want to know if pouring something down their drains is going to damage the pipes. With chemical drain cleaners, that concern is absolutely valid. But with 3% hydrogen peroxide, you have nothing to worry about. PVC, which is the white plastic pipe found in most homes built or remodeled in the last 40 years, handles hydrogen peroxide without any issue. ABS, the black plastic pipe common in drain, waste, and vent systems, is equally unaffected.
Copper drain lines, which you might find in older homes, are also safe. Even brass and stainless steel components will not react with household-strength peroxide.
The key word here is household strength, meaning 3% concentration. Industrial hydrogen peroxide at 30% or higher is a completely different substance with completely different risks.
Never mix hydrogen peroxide with vinegar inside the pipe.
When those two combine, they create peracetic acid, which is corrosive and produces harmful fumes. And never pour peroxide into a drain where you give it at least 24 hours and flush thoroughly with water before switching products. As long as you follow those simple rules, hydrogen peroxide